Hi, I'll be doing the crystal structure or packing of metals activity. What are the materials I need? I need 26 styro balls, toothpicks, and, this are optional, poster paint and paintbrush. Just got them to categorize the styro balls into two. Let's start. Before I do the procedure, I prepare first the materials such as the toothpicks and colored styro balls. And I made sure that the styro balls are complete by keeping them in a plastic together. First, I attach 10 blue styro balls with toothpicks to form a triangle. Each of the balls will represent an atom and the toothpick will represent bonds. It is kinda hard, but I made sure to perfectly intact the balls together so it won't fall apart. After I form this triangle, this will be the first layer of the packing model. The first triangle composes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 styro balls. Next, I attach 6 red styro balls together with toothpicks so that I can form a triangle with 3 balls at the base. Same goes after forming this triangle. This will be the second layer of the packing model. Way to go! I successfully made this second layer and it composes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 styro balls. Then the last one, I used the remaining blue styro balls and formed them like the one in first layer of packing model. This time, I arranged the atoms. First, I placed the second layer on top of the first one with atoms of the second layer, nesting in the hollows between the atoms of the first layer. Now, I placed the third layer directly over those in layer 1. This gives me the ABABAB arrangement, which corresponds to hexagonal closest packing, or HCP. Next, I disarrange the previous pattern and start over. With the second layer nesting again in the hollows between the atoms of the first layer, I placed indirectly the third layer over those layers. And this gave me the ABC arrangement, which corresponds to face-centered cubic, or FCC. I'm done with this activity. It was nice to share my progression in doing this with you. I am Bernadette A. Ibanyo, a BS Tech M first year student. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and keep safe.